Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're watching my face for the first time, then hi, my name is Mamta. I make a lot of lifestyle based videos and a lot of fun tags. And if you like this video and if you want to see more of me, you can subscribe to the channel. Yay! Yeah. That sounds right? So, as you know from the title of the video that we are going to talk about UTI, Unit Trust of India. No. No. Just kidding. We are going to talk about urinary tract infection. A lot of you liked my period hacks video. You also liked my things every girl must have, and I thought let's just continue the series and talk about one more women related issue, which is UTI, which is very common. And why I thought to make a video about it is because मुझे इसके बारे में पता नहीं था. Like, I've never heard about UTI. Like, a couple of months back I got to know through a friend, and that was so shocking because a lot of girl goes through this UTI phase, but nobody ever talked about it. Like, we never got to know about this in school or anything. Like, maybe I missed it or what, but I was not aware, and I thought, okay, let's just talk about it. So here we are. I hope this video help few of my homies out there. I hope you like this video. So basically, first we'll start what is UTI. So as I said, UTI is urinary tract infection, which happens in your urinary tract system. Now, your urinary tract system is made up of 4 elements: kidneys, ureter, your bladder, and urethra. These are the 4 organs involved in your urinary tract system. It also, like, the basic function it does is to purify your blood and flush out the toxins from your body. You know what I mean. Yeah, pee. That's what I mean. It also regulates your blood pressure and all. So these, like, the basic function samajh aa gaya tumhe inka, right? Now, how UTI happens. So there's this one bacteria which is found in our large intestine. बड़ी आंत में एक बैक्टीरिया होता है जिसका नाम COLI होता है. You can go and check the pronunciation. I'm not doing the honors to do that. So that bacteria sometimes travel from your anus, which is your poop hole, to your urinary tract opening, and which is very close to your vagina, and it travels through your urethra, sticks to the wall of your bladder, and cause a lot of irritation, which we'll talk about in the symptoms of UTI. This is what UTI, like, this is how UTI happens. And what are the major common symptoms of the, I won't say disease, but of the problem is that you will feel an intense urge to pee, and the frequency of going to the washroom will increase. You, like, आपको बार बार लगेगा कि you want to pee, but जब आप जाओगे washroom, nothing will come out from the system, and yeah, that's irritating. And you can also find blood in your urination, cloudy urination also, like some white discharge, a lot of pain in your pelvic bones, nausea, fever, and yeah, these are the very common symptoms of UTI. Now, UTI is also of 3 types. The first one is cystitis, which is like a very common one. You will feel urge to pee, and you will feel a burning sensation when you are peeing, and a lot of pain in your lower abdominal area, and also you can have a cloudy or a bloody urination. And the second one, pyelonephritis, which is involved your kidneys, which is a much more serious type of UTI. This can cause fever, chills, nausea, vomiting, and a lot more complicated symptoms than the previous one. The last one is urethritis, if I'm not wrong. This can cause you discharge and a burning sensation while you pee. So that is why UTI needs to be treated, because it can cause a permanent damage to your kidneys and can cause a much more complicated case. So if you are somebody who's been through UTI or who is going through UTI, and you need to take proper medication. Now, when I talk about that it is much more common in women, is because the urethra is much more smaller in female body. What is a urethra? Urethra is the tubes which takes the toxin flush out of your body from your bladder to out of your body. Yes, those tubes are called urethra, and women में वो urethra का जो length रहता है that is smaller, and in male bodies the length of that those tubes are a little longer, like much longer than the female body. And yeah, that is why we are blessed to have much more complications. Basically, if you are a woman, you're just fucked up. Now let's talk about what are the reasons, like why UTI can happen to a person. The first and very common reason is the sexual activity. This can cause UTI. The second is not drinking a lot of water and fluid. Yes, this can cause you a UTI, so drink proper water, guys. Another reason is that if you must have had kidney stones in the past, that can also cause UTI. Another reason, fourth reason, if you have high blood pressure, or if you are somebody who has gone through a urinary surgery, the chances to have UTI are higher. So these are the very common reasons why people why women get UTI. So yeah, it's just not the sexual activities. There are other reasons as well why the bacteria can travel from your anus to your urethral opening in your system. The major portion is to get to know that you are going through UTI. Like sometimes girls don't even understand why this is happening to them or what is exactly happening to them, and they feel very shy to talk about it, I feel, and they do not even discuss it with their friends. But don't worry, I've got your back, girls. Now the question is how we'll get to know that we do have UTI, or we've been infected with UTI or anything of that sort. One common step you can do is to use these UTI detection strips by Bodywise. Now what is Bodywise? Let's talk about Bodywise a little bit. Bodywise is a digital health clinic for women. They are working for the wellness of women, and which is like a very nice idea. I really liked it, that you can take digital consultation with somebody online. Not only they have products for PCOS, hair, your UTI related problems, but also they are providing free consultations to all the women, which is like, yay, we need more such organizations. So Bodywise have these strips, and it is mentioned on the back of the box that how to use it. All you need to do is to collect your urine and immerse strip test pads in the urine for like 1 to 2 seconds, and then compare the test areas to corresponding color chart and read the results at 1 minute for nitrate and 2 minutes for leukocytes. Now what is leukocytes and nitrate? They are the reagents which help you to detect the severity and the presence of UTI in your urine. This is what their chart looks like. I'll insert a very good clear picture. So this is how the chart looks like. You can compare the result to it, and I think that's a very simple method to get to know whether you have UTI or not at the comfort of your home. Like you don't have to step out. Given the situation, nobody wants to go hospitals, I feel. So that was about the UTI strips by Bodywise, and now let's talk about the treatment. Once you get to know that you have, like, you've been infected with UTI, so what do you do? First thing, do not Google. Second thing, do not go to the medical shop or the medical store and ask the pharmacy people to give you the medicine. Always go to a proper gynae or to the doctor and tell them your problem. They will give you a proper antibiotic course. UTI is usually treated with antibiotics. One more thing related to your treatment is that never ever in your life leave the treatment in between. It can increase the chance of the recurrence of your UTI, and that is not good. That's something you don't want. Trust me, you don't want that. It can cause a permanent damage to your kidneys if you leave the course in between, and if UTI is something happening to you very frequently, it can damage your kidneys, guys. So do not leave your course in between. Always complete it. So we know the symptoms, we know how and why people get it. We have talked about the treatment. Now let's talk about how to prevent from having UTI again, or UTI in general. So the first and the foremost is to clean up after the sexual activity, like in and out, like from front to back and from back to front. And a second part of this point is that always use products down there which is fragrance less, like which does not have any sort of fragrance. Drink a lot of water and fluids like nariyal pani, nimbu pani, normal pani. Drink a lot of water. Have you met those people who always boast about कि मैं तो यार I can hold my pee for like hours? never do that, which is like, this is not good at all. Next one is very grandma type advice, but always wear cotton panties. Do not wear tight clothes which can hurt that area, like the lower region. Another one is very famous saying is that if you eat berries or if you drink cranberry juice, it can reduce the chances of having UTI, but there is no such research has been done. But it has been said that cranberry is good for your urinary tract system's health. Also, which brings me to another product by Bodywire. So this is their UTI Shield capsules, and this has D-mannose, cranberry extract, hibiscus extract, probiotics. This helps in reducing the UTI recurrence, boost immunity, and aids gut health. So this is what these capsules does. This is how the box will look like, and this has some 30 capsules, which is good for a month. So you can take one capsule after any meal. So one capsule each day after any meal. You don't have to take multiple times a day. These capsules boost your immunity as well. So if you are somebody who catch UTI very easily, so I would suggest you to try these capsules. Also, these capsule does not have any sort of side effects, so that's also a plus point, I would say. This is all I wanted to share about UTI. This is all what I know, and I am no doctor, I am no specialist. If you are somebody who is dealing with severe problem, I would suggest you to take a consultation by Bodywise, which is, I already mentioned, they do provide free consultation by the doctors. I'll provide the link of the 2 items and the free consultation in the box, in the description box. Go check out, and yeah, stay safe, guys. If you are somebody who is dealing with such problem, I would suggest you to definitely check out their digital health clinic. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like watching this video. I hope a lot of girls would get benefit out of it, and at least we have this space where we can at least talk about things. If you like anything in this video, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week. Bye. And how organized I am. Like, पिछली वाली वीडियो में मेरा माइक ख़राब हो चुका है. लाइक पिछली 2 वीडियोस से मेरा माइक ख़राब चल रहा है, मैंने माइक ठीक कराने की ज़हमत नहीं की है. Like, such a organized person.
See me as your enemy, or see me as your friend.